Hey there, thanks for joining me for Bible journaling. Today I'm going to be working on session 1 in my new Illustrated Faith Less Hustle, More Jesus devotional. And this month definitely came as a reminder from God that I need to pay attention and do a little bit more of my Bible studying. So it's kind of interesting that He's got that little reminder for me in a huge little kit that came in my mailbox this month. So anyway, this week's devotional is in Psalms 86:15, and our verse says, "But you, Lord, are a compassionate and gracious God, slow to anger, abounding in love and faithfulness." Isn't that so true? Also, this month's kit comes with a free digital download. When you purchase the kit, you'll get everything in a download that you can use later in case you use it all up. So I think that's kind of fun in case you're gonna like the bike on the front of this card here comes in the digital download, so I'm going to use that on my page today. I printed it out on clear sticker paper so that I could do that. So anyway, our card says, "We've got a really good reason to slow down, rest, and spend time in God's presence. He himself rests." From the very first pages of Genesis, we see that he rested after working, and the Psalms are packed with declarations of his quiet strength. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on fast forward and let you watch the journaling, and I'll see you at the end. All right, so I pretty much finished my page. I want to do a title. I'm going to use the alphabet stamp that came in the kit this month. I think it's fabulous that it came with a set of alphabets that you can use in your Bible journaling. I'm definitely going to package these up in a little envelope though, because I found that they do not stay on the little sheet very well. So I definitely don't want to lose any because they're not that big. As you can see on my page there, they are as big as a couple of verses in my Bible, and I have a regular print Bible, so they're not that large. You're going to want to keep track of those. But I do love that it came with an alphabet set in the kit. So anyway, I hope you had fun Bible journaling today. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Don't forget I've listed everything I use down in the description box in case you would like to pick something up. Otherwise, I hope you are having a fabulous week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.